The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored on behalf of Adobe Acrobat by Tips on TV. As tax season picks up and filing deadlines get closer, many Americans are trying to get their financial documents organized. The paperwork can quickly add up, but new digital tools, including AI, are helping make the process easier. So here to share some smart tax season strategies is certified financial planner and best-selling author Shinobu Hindert, who's teaming up with Adobe Acrobat. She's also the author of Investing Is Your Superpower. Hi, Shinobu, how are you?
Good, Blake. Thank you for having me.
Yes, of course. So what do you see people struggle with most during tax season?
The most is really not the math behind it, but all of the paperwork that leads up to actually filing your taxes. So one of the first things I encourage clients to do is get everything into a digital format so it's easier to find and share once it's time to file. Adobe Acrobat has a suite of digital and AI-powered tools that can help people scan, organize, and securely manage their tax documents. This in and of itself makes tax season a lot less overwhelming.
Yeah, which I think is always a big help because it is a big hurdle for a lot of people. Now, you kind of just addressed this a little bit, but can we expand a little bit? What's a simple step people can take to get more organized for this tax season?
Yes, one easy step is to digitize the paperwork that you already have. A lot of people keep these in folders and envelopes and they're trying to collect them. So rather than doing that, you can use Adobe Scan to upload those documents immediately and turn them into clean, organized PDF. So once they're digitized, it's easier to store, they're searchable, and you can share when you're preparing your taxes.
I love that. The easier, the better, in my opinion. Now, many people are juggling multiple tax form or sources of income. So how can they keep everything organized?
This is becoming more and more popular where people are freelancers, gig workers, small business owners, and the amount of tax sensitive information like 1099s, expense records, invoices that are coming in is just, again, it's overwhelming. So an approach that I recommend is consolidating everything into an organized file. Adobe Acrobat's Combine and Organize tool allows you to take multiple tax documents into one PDF and then arrange them in a way that makes sense for your own tax filing process. So when it comes time to send that information over to your accountant, you're already organized and it's easy for them to review.
Yeah, I love that. And the easier for them, then the better it's going to be for you in the long run. Now, AI is obviously impacting a lot of things in our life. So how can people keep their tax documents secure and how is AI helping with that?
Because our tax documents have some of our most sensitive information, things like your social security number, financial information, income details. So protecting that information is really important. One helpful tool is Adobe Acrobat's AI assistant. This can help you secure and manage those documents quickly, which of course we all love. So you can simply type a prompt like password protect this file or add my signature, and the document can be secured and signed in seconds before sending that out to your accountant. So this is a simple way to protect sensitive information, but it also makes the process faster and easier for those of us who don't love spending time with our taxes.
Yeah, sounds like a very helpful tool. Now, obviously, we're in kind of the depths of the current tax season, but it returns every year. So what's a simple habit that people can start right now to make next tax season even easier?
A simple approach people can take is to, as paperwork comes in, whether that's invoices, any expense records, tax forms, rather than letting it pile up, use an app like Adobe Scan and the Acrobat mobile app. Again, you're quickly scanning those documents, turning them into organized PDFs. So by doing this throughout the year, you're building a digital record. So when tax season arrives, it's already organized and ready to share with your accountant. You're not doing that fumbling around going, well, how am I going to find all of these documents that I need? You're already ready to go.
Yeah, we've covered a lot of ground here in just the last few minutes. So where can people go for more information and to stay organized throughout this tax season?
For more information to help you with this tax season, visit adobe.com/acrobat.
All right, Adobe's making it so easy. Shinobu, thank you so much.
Thank you, Blake.
The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored on behalf of Adobe Acrobat by Tips on TV.